Hey guys, so what I'm doing here is I just would like to share with you the previous what we have done is actually excuse me, this is my bucket. Okay, where is bucket? No, right, this is my bucket. Yeah, so this is my bucket and this was my object. This object was created in the month of 5th. Okay, but thing is I could not able to delete because it was object was locked and it is denying. I could not able to delete and I could not do anything and it is costing. Okay. I am actually keeping and locked it. Once you logged in S3, in S3, if you keep a bucket or in the bucket, if you keep any objects and if you lock it, you never, nobody can come for deleting it. Okay, you can't delete it manually. So to delete it, so there will be a certain timestamp, so you have to change it by using these many steps. That's what I'm trying to do. Successfully try to delete, changed it. Okay, so after this I have to wait. Actually the timestamp I kept only for 1 minute. Okay, earlier it was around I think 365 days or more than that. If you keep timestamp 360 days like that, you could not able to delete manual way. Okay, you have to use AWS configure, AWS CLI. It is possible through AWS CLI. That too, you have to change the policies, inline policies. Okay, and also you have to set up like this. Okay, by using all this kind of what I have done, you see this. So I have installed this one, JQ-Y. Okay, this is newest version. It says JQ is already newest version. Yeah, so we have to I created one script to delete the all object versions. This is a script. Okay, I can maybe if it is possible in description I can provide to you this. Okay, and yeah, to delete the bucket, yeah, you have to use this. Okay, but I have done, but I got some error. Okay, what was the error? Okay, so access denied because object protected by object, like obviously, right, it was already protected by object. Okay, so then what it is showing, it is showing that okay, anyways, if it is really protecting objects, that's fine, but you could see some progress like this, right? Some progress you got at least. Okay, version, and you found some name with your file. Okay, all those, right? That's what it is showing. So Lokesh takes version, this one. Okay, so you can identify it. So remove object lock retention using this. Retention policy is there in S3 bucket. In S3 bucket, if you keep retention policy, so accordingly it will accept. If you keep retention policy 30 days, it will be 30 days. If you keep your retention policy 365 days, nobody will touch that. Okay, can't delete, nobody will delete that. Okay, so retention policies has been changed now. So I just forcefully done retention policy. That retention policy I made it for only 1 minute. Okay, so that retention policy I'll show you here. See this changed. The timestamp has been changed. Okay, see this command removes retention immediately and it will create 1 minute. So then run delete object. Yes, it try to delete it, but I got an error, something like this. So it is failed. The retained date until date must be in the future because we should not keep now, right? So what I have done, the retention to few seconds in the future, I just kept in 1 minute. Okay, this is retention policy for S3. The governance mode and retention till date. This is the timestamp. Okay, like this. So we have to wait for a minute after that. So this is recommended. Okay, it's very important. So what I have done, asset retention expiry in future stamp, right? After that, so we need to wait for 1 or 2 minutes until then. So maybe it will be in a process in the sense we set up 1 minute, right? So that 1 minute should be completed. After that we have to try this. Let's try. Maybe 1 minute got finished. Let's try again. Let me check this. Yeah, see this. Oh my goodness, this is disconnected. Let me try again. Oh, what is this? Okay, let me clear this everything and I'll try to do it again. Error. Object lock. See, an error occurred. Access denied when calling the delete object operation. Access denied because lock object, because object protected by object lock. This is what we are getting. So we have to identify how to overcome this. Okay, let me keep this here. Maybe we need to wait for some more time. Maybe that's the reason. Hmm. Yes. So that is the reason. Let me keep. Let me use this. Yeah, we got this. Exactly, we got it. After that, check for legal hold. Block to delete. Let me check here. Yes, it is working fine. Very well. The same. We got it. This. We got this. Right. Right. Next. So on. So as it's showing status is on. Let us off using this command. Let me off. Yes, it is off. Right. So then deleting again. Let me try to use this. Yeah, I think it got deleted successfully. Maybe. Yeah. Let me check with the chat GPT. How does it response? Success. Your object lokesh.txt deleted. Okay. So now final step. Let me keep here. Let's see. Yeah, it got deleted. You see this? Now it is not showing anything. Alright, let me go physically verify. So see, the bucket was there earlier. You see this? This bucket was there. Lokesh.txt. Let me keep this and I'll go duplicate. Okay. So view bucket list. Nothing is there. It could not found in the sense the bucket was not there. Really fine, right? Awesome. Let me go to S3 buckets. Yeah, nothing is there. Awesome, awesome. This is fantastic. Okay, let me ask ChatGPT. Okay, please give the steps which I have executed to delete from the starting properly for documentation purpose. So let's see how does it react. Absolutely. Yeah, documentation of office environment of that CLA, you need to do that. So yeah, that's great. It's giving one by one configured after this. So yeah, fantastic document. This is really awesome. So this document really will helpful. Definitely, I'll share with you guys. I can keep all the steps in description. Okay, I'll take a PDF. Excuse me. Yes, this is awesome, right? Anyways, maybe that's fine. Let me take this up. See, these are all steps which we followed. Let me do one thing. I'll make it proper. Definitely helpful. Okay. Oh, I'm sorry. This is not. I want to take empty file. Okay. Next, let me come here. So I think I need to follow these. Okay. Steps. So these are all basic steps. Everybody knows that. Still, I'm keeping because if somebody does not know, so it is easy for them to do, right? So that's why I'm also keeping that. I will include everything here in the description. So if somebody needs, definitely it will be useful, right? So one if one benefits, definitely that will be good thing. Yes, for step 4, I'm keeping here with comment. Yep, and also error. If you feel an error, then you have to react accordingly. Okay. All right. Next, this one we have to install. That was really awesome. This is new one. That new one helped me a lot. This is new installation. We recently got this JQ-Y, and the sixth step, important step, to delete. So let me take another page. Better we can make it maintain some clarity. So let me take 20 here. Right. All right. This is separate properly. So let me take step number 7. This is also fine. Yep. Step number 8. Yep. The result stack must be like this. Yeah, we have seen that everything, right? Okay. Yes. Let me do all at one place. All right. This step number 10. I'm going to use this. Output also I need to mention for our friends. Yep. Should be like this. The 11th step. I think that we did not use to this because we don't have anything, but still. Alright, again, we're disconnected. Yes. So all versions, let me try to delete. Yes, that is also gone. That is optional clean, that's okay, but still this will be useful. Yeah, that's great. So yep, this is really awesome. Post delete S3 version. Okay, let me save. AWS. I have my folder is there. While I'm teaching, I'll follow the same folder. Yeah, this is fine, right? Yep. So this I will share in description. This is live class. Maybe that will post automatically. So that's fine. Fantastic. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. So that definitely it might helpful. So let me. Yeah, that's it. This is very short video. So if anything, I will connect again. So I will